Welcome back, everyone. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. Let's get right into it. On a scale from 0 to 100, a police officer must have a minimum standard of 25% standard of proof in order to detain a person. What does that mean? A set of articulable facts and circumstances that would lead a reasonable person to believe that a specific crime has been committed, is being committed, or is about to be committed by a particular person. Reasonable suspicion of a crime cannot be based upon a hunch, gut feeling, or simply to conduct a fishing expedition. Reasonable suspicion falls short of probable cause to search, ticket, or arrest. However, it gives the officer the lawful authority to stop and briefly detain, as well as identify the person. Note, affording police officers the latitude to define what is reasonable suspicion without also articulating a particular crime means an end to liberty and the inevitable growth of the police state. This will be covered extensively throughout the book, Rise of the Oathbreakers by Dave McCrae. Make sure you go get it. And it's very important. A cursory pat down for weapons is authorized only after the officer has cleared two legal hurdles. Number one, at a minimum, the person is lawfully detained under reasonable suspicion of a particular crime. And two, if the officer can clearly articulate why they believe the person may be armed and dangerous, a pat down cannot be done simply as a matter of routine. In this video, the officer does have a reason to be there because he gets called out there. As he shows up, there's a gentleman recording who does have the legal right to record in public. The officer immediately asks the gentleman if he's recording, and the gentleman says yes. The officer goes inside and comes back out and starts asking him questions. He immediately gets dismissed by the gentleman, but as you'll see at the end of the video, the police officer gets called over and the lady says that she's seen the person that was in question of the call. The officer did have the right to be there, like I said, but the man they're looking for is 5'4", and the gentleman that's talking clearly is taller than 5'4" and probably wouldn't be sticking around the area. So let me know what you guys think about the video. I'm doing my best to educate, and hopefully you guys can get something out of this so that you guys can protect your rights. I'm getting a lot of comments recently letting me know that they're learning a lot from my channel, so I do appreciate that. I do want to get better with the educational value of my channel, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you go subscribe to Derkin Donuts and let them know San Joaquin sent you. Thank you guys so much for the support you give me and all the channels. I'll see you over there.
Hey, you videotaping me?
I am.
Okay, thanks. Gun. And
Yeah.
it was a black male, about 5'4".
Do I look 5'4" to you?
Did I ask if it was you?
Well, then why are you talking to me?
Was it you?
Why are you talking to me?
Okay. Do you have any weapons on you, sir?
Why are you talking to me?
Where you at, Giant?
I work in Giant, so yes, I do. So I'm on break right now. Yeah, so it definitely wasn't me. Can you? Yeah, I know. I don't know what your problem is. You do want trouble because I look 5'4" to you.
I don't know. You're sitting.
Do
down.
I look 5'4" to you?
Okay.
Leave.
Did you see anybody match that description? Gray shirt.
I wouldn't
baggy
help
pants?
you even if I did.
Thank you very much.
Sir, I did see someone go with
Thank
that
you.
description heading that way, and it was kind of weird because he's like smiled and he, you know, had a color and he had a gray shirt on and I think a red shirt. Red shirt. Well, I could be wrong. I know the gray. About 20 minutes ago, and he made a funny gesture to me. That's how I remember. Like he said, "Hi," and he was rolling his eyes, and I mean, I'm holding up. I don't know. It was kind of like an afro, but not a big, small afro. Yeah, he headed that way, and like I said, he was sort of eye contact with me and making a funny face, and I was quite sure. I thought he had something on his, like a round case or something. That's very, because I was busy looking at what he was doing with his face or trying to figure out what, you know, he said hi, but then he lingered, so it was kind of a weird confrontation, you know. But he didn't do anything bad, it was just this old thing. But it was that.
All right, very much. Thank you. We appreciate it.
I want to point something out that I think is kind of funny. The man's, I don't know if it's his wife or his girlfriend or whoever was sitting there with them, I thought was pretty cool. She was telling the cops, just leave us alone. Please leave. You can't hear her clearly, but you can hear her in the background. And I thought that was really cool. There's been several videos that I've posted where the wife is sitting there and a lot of comments say, tell your wife to shut up, or can you drop her off somewhere? I think that kind of stuff is really funny, but nevertheless, I thought this one was cool. She had her man's back. You guys go subscribe to Derkin Donuts. Let them know San Joaquin sent you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. And I'll see you guys over there in Derkin Donuts' comment section. The link will be in the description. Have a good day.